But we are going to do an R&B shout out to that particular droid. A particular droid by Dr. Sci-Fi, who has made quite the incredible BD-1 build droid. And I got a chance to see in person, which blew me out of the heckin' water. And so we're going to take some time here to show a little bit of TLC to none other than Dr. Sci-Fi's BD-1. Let's go.
That's right, BD-1 coming in hot with the redemption of 4,000 channel points to slow things down here at the BD-1 house and show some sweet, sweet, tender love and care from Dr. Sci-Fi to Dr. Sci-Fi's beautiful, sweet, sweet little boy. BD-1 droid, baby, that's right. And we're slowing down to tell this amazing little droid just how amazing it is. If you've ever played Jedi Fallen Order, you know what a BD droid looks like. It is the most heckin' adorable, two-legged, Wall-E-esque droid that is the most helpful companion in the most toughest of times and levels of the game. And to build it, how to come to life from the screens to IRL and be able to witness the adorableness, the cuteness of such a droid and be able to physically touch the droid is one of the most mind-blowing things. And let me tell you, Dr. Sci-Fi was successful in capturing just how beautiful it is, just how cute it is, just how full of personality BD-1 is. And its eye movements, its ability to move and articulate its legs, to move its head, and show compassion and love. I love you, Dr. Sci-Fi's BD-1, and how beautiful, and how amazing, and how detailed you look, baby. You do something to me. You make me feel some type of way. You make me feel love, and so we slow things down here at the Noodle House to tell that little BD-1 droid, I love you something deep. I love you something fierce. You were incredible. You were amazing. I ain't never gonna stop loving you. I don't need you to do me any favors because I know that you're going to continue always to stay sexy, baby.